All right, so we need a way to open the door. So I'm going to be installing door poppers. If you don't know how these work, these go straight to your door latch, connected to these using a cable. And this is kind of an electromagnetic setup. Puts power to this, pulls, and it violently opens the doors. So it's kind of pretty cool. Let's see here. Do this shit in real time here. Yeah, we're not gonna be using that. So let me use. Fused wire that goes to my plug. Everything wired up. Took my time. I'm sure. Pretty dope. Let's go install it. Right, the door poppers temporary mounted on there. Excuse me. We got a little test battery going on over here, and then got a little switch. What we're gonna do with that is we're gonna put on a center console. Right. This was just like a little test piece. I don't think I like the style, so I'm gonna redo it. But check this out. Closed, pushing, nothing. All right. Yep. So we'll get back to it. Those are going to be for those. So if you like this style of video, make sure to comment and let me know. I'm trying to get a good feel of what people want from my long footage. It's just going to be plain and simple, showing you how a little bit of what I do, but I can't get too crazy because I'm trying to do it quickly while at the same time make footage. It's kind of a hard balance. Y'all subscribe.